Hey, welcome back to Fire and Lemon. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to show you how we built our coffee table that we made using a technique called Sugi Ban, which is a Japanese wood preservation technique using fire to preserve it. And we did all this under $100. So we're going to show you what we did.
We often enjoy our coffee sitting out here in the morning, afternoon, anytime
Even on
really,
cloudy days.
even on cloudy days. And we don't really have a coffee table and I've been searching for one. We've been doing a lot of shopping, and we haven't really been able
Yeah.
to find what we've been looking for.
Coffee tables or things that are short,
Yeah, they're a
you
little
know,
low. I wanted something a little bit higher, and
which meant I get to make it.
yeah, exactly. It's
Yeah.
got to be homemade by Jeff.
Yeah. So what I found was some free wood, so that really helps a lot. And this whole project really only cost just under $100. I think it was just over $80, which is pretty cheap. It was just labor, and a lot of it, and you'll see what that labor is. I just spent money on hardware, but yeah, it works well. I think it looks really nice, and this is a little different of a video for us, but I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get on with the build. Okay, so you saw me mark my hole for this hole on the tenon from the hole that I made in the mortise. And this is the center point here. So what I want to do is I want to actually move the center point in about 1/8 of an inch. So when I do put my stick in, or I forget the word, when I put that piece in, it locks it into place. Okay, so we are now going to take our plates and basically make it into, replace these washers. So it's going to kind of be like a washer. So it'll go on like that on both sides. But what I'd rather do, instead of having it sit like the washer, I'd rather countersink this into the wood and give it a slightly, I think, nicer look. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take apart this piece here, take that out, put in this piece on both sides, put it back together, and I think we have a table.
Well, that was a lot of work.
It was.
Yeah, for you, that is. Not for me.
For me.
I
It was-
made the sandwiches that you enjoyed while
That's
you were
right.
working.
Yeah, I enjoyed it very much. There was a lot of work. There was a few things that I didn't show you guys. You can see the handles that I put on there, and I put on wheels. It's really just for looks. I wanted that industrial type look, and I hope it worked out. I know it's a great height for us, and it's working well. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please hit the subscribe button and the notification so you know when our next video is. We are new, so all your support really helps us out. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Ciao for now.
Bye-bye.